What's up guys? Tyler V at ZZP here. We've got Rick's Goblin on the dyno. If you missed it in our last video, we went over just what exactly a DF Goblin is, what makes it great. We've got it back on the dyno because last year we were able to put it on. We made some good power, but we were held back by his intake temps. Now we are used to the Cobalt SS and the Ion Redline, where you're able to run a big heat exchanger out front and keep those intake temps down. Last year, fourth gear pull, we were nearing 170 degrees. Now, that may not mean much to you, but in terms of IAT2s, that is extremely hot. So what that meant was we were AFR limited, we were on a knock limit, so we had to pull timing back, which meant we didn't get the power that we wanted to. Last year, it made around 330 wheel horsepower on 22 PSI. Today, with the updated intercooler and things that we've done and that Rick has done, just on 15 PSI, which is the gate spring on a Z54, we were able to make basically the same exact power. So now we're gonna add the boost controller back in line. We're gonna get those cylinder pressures up, see where it takes us. I'm betting Rick's gonna be real happy. Let's see what it does. Go fast, not broke.